Your Subaru has 10 free resets built into it right now. Not hidden menu hacks that only work on specific models, not procedures requiring dealer scan tools or factory diagnostic equipment. Free resets that work on virtually every Subaru built in the last 15 years. Available from your driver's seat in your driveway in under 5 minutes each. These resets fix problems that dealers charge $100 to $300 to address. The rough idle after your oil change. The transmission hesitation after a battery replacement. The EyeSight warning that won't clear. The AC that suddenly stopped blowing cold. The TPMS light that stays on after you've inflated every tire correctly. All of these are problems owners pay dealer diagnostic fees to investigate when the actual fix is a specific reset procedure that takes 2 minutes and costs nothing. Here's why this works. Every modern Subaru is controlled by multiple computer modules that learn, adapt, and store memory. When that memory becomes corrupted or stuck in an incorrect state, problems develop that have nothing to do with any physical component failing. The hardware is fine. The software state is wrong. A targeted reset clears the wrong state. The module reinitializes. The problem disappears. Let's get into all 10. Reset number 1. The full ECU hard reset. This is the master reset that underlies everything else on this list. When in doubt, start here. What it fixes. Rough idle after any service. Fuel economy that dropped without explanation. Hesitation on acceleration. Multiple warning lights after a battery event. Transmission that shifts differently than before. The procedure. Turn the ignition completely off. Disconnect the battery negative terminal using a 10mm wrench. Press and hold the brake pedal for 10 full seconds to drain capacitor charge and accelerate memory clearing. Wait 15 full minutes, non-negotiable. Control module capacitors maintain memory for 10 to 12 minutes after disconnection. Only after 15 minutes is memory definitively cleared. Reconnect the battery negative terminal. Turn ignition to on position. Do not start the engine. Wait 60 seconds for all modules to initialize. Turn ignition off. Wait 30 seconds. Start the engine and idle for 5 full minutes before driving. During the first 50 to 100 miles, drive gently and vary speeds. This gives the ECU the range of conditions needed to rebuild accurate adaptive maps. Models. All Subaru models 2000 and newer. Reset number 2. The throttle body relearn. The reset most owners need immediately after throttle body cleaning or intake service, and almost nobody knows to do it. What it fixes. High idle that won't settle. Hunting idle that oscillates. Hesitation from a stop. Rough idle that appeared specifically after throttle body cleaning or air filter replacement. The procedure. Engine must be at full operating temperature. Do not attempt on a cold engine. Turn ignition off. Wait 10 seconds. Turn to on position without starting. Wait 3 seconds. Slowly depress the accelerator pedal fully to the floor over 5 seconds. Hold fully depressed for 5 seconds. Slowly release over 5 seconds. Wait 10 seconds with pedal fully released. Start the engine and allow it to idle without touching the accelerator for 2 full minutes. The throttle body actuator runs through its calibration cycle during this period. Idle quality should smooth noticeably after 2 minutes. If not, repeat once. Models. All fuel-injected Subaru models 2005 and newer. Reset number 3. The CVT transmission relearn. The CVT adaptive control module learns driving patterns and fluid friction characteristics. After a fluid change, this learning needs to reset to match the new fluid's properties. What it fixes. CVT shuddering after fluid service. Hesitation or hunting after a fluid change. Shift. Feel that changed after CVT maintenance. The procedure. Begin with reset number 1 first. With the engine at full operating temperature, find a safe road. From a complete stop, accelerate gently to 30 miles per hour using light throttle, 25% maximum. Come to a complete stop. Repeat 5 times. Accelerate gently to 50 miles per hour using moderate throttle, 40 to 50%. Come to a complete stop. Repeat 3 times. Accelerate to 60 miles per hour using approximately 70% throttle. Come to a complete stop. Repeat once. Allow 200 to 500 additional miles of normal driving for adaptation to fully complete. Models: all CVT-equipped Subaru models, 2010 and newer. Reset number 4, the power window recalibration. What it fixes: window that won't close fully via key fob, one-touch operation that stopped working, window that reverses before fully closing, window motor that lost travel limit memory after battery disconnection. The procedure: with door closed and ignition on, press the window down button and hold until fully open. Continue holding 2 additional seconds after the window reaches the bottom limit. Press the window up button and hold until fully closed. Continue holding 2 additional seconds after reaching the top limit. The motor has relearned its travel limits. One-touch and remote functions restore immediately. Repeat for each window needing recalibration. Models: all power window-equipped Subaru models, particularly needed after any battery disconnection. Before we continue, these resets address software issues. The maintenance foundation that prevents physical failures is equally important. I've documented both in the 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint, link in the description. Reset number 5, the TPMS reset. Owners inflate tires to correct pressure, and the light stays on. The TPMS system needs to relearn the new pressure values. What it fixes: TPMS warning light remaining on after correct inflation, TPMS light after tire rotation or replacement, incorrect pressure readings for 1 or more wheels. The procedure: inflate all 4 tires to the exact pressure on the door jamb sticker, not the maximum pressure on the tire sidewall. With engine running, locate the TPMS reset button beneath the steering column. Press and hold until the warning light blinks 3 times. Release. Drive at 50 miles per hour or above for at least 10 minutes. This allows each wheel sensor to transmit new pressure values to the module. The warning light extinguishes once all 4 sensors are confirmed within specification. If no physical button is present, the reset is performed through the infotainment menu under Vehicle Settings. Models: all Subaru models with TPMS 2008 and newer. Reset number 6, the idle relearn. After long storage. What it fixes: rough idle after extended storage, idle that surges after the vehicle has been unused for weeks, higher than normal idle, 1,000 to 1,200 revolutions per minute, that won't settle to the normal 650 to 750 revolutions per minute range. The procedure: start the engine cold. Allow it to idle completely undisturbed for 10 full minutes. Do not touch the throttle or turn on the AC. After 10 minutes, turn the AC on at minimum fan speed. Allow to idle 2 more minutes. Turn AC off. Gently rev the engine twice to approximately 2,000 revolutions per minute using 2 brief 2-second throttle blips. Allow to return to idle and stabilize for 1 minute. Follow with a gentle 15-minute drive including brief stops. Models: all Subaru models. Particularly valuable after any Subaru that has been sitting for an extended period or was purchased from dealer lot inventory. Reset number 7, the steering angle sensor reset. Required after any wheel alignment, steering component replacement, or when stability control activates incorrectly. What it fixes: stability control activating on straight roads, lane departure warning, triggering on straight highway sections, pre-collision warning reacting to non-existent hazards, vehicle pulling despite correct alignment. The procedure: find a flat, straight, empty road or large parking lot. Drive in a perfectly straight line at exactly 20 miles per hour for 30 seconds. Come to a complete stop. Turn the steering wheel to full left lock. Hold 3 seconds. Return to center. Turn to full right lock. Hold 3 seconds. Return to center. Drive straight again at 20 miles per hour for 30 seconds. On 2015 and newer EyeSight models, follow with a 5 to 10 minute highway drive to confirm calibration. Models: all Subaru models with Vehicle Dynamics Control 2008 and newer. Reset number 8. The AC and Climate Control Reset. What it fixes: AC that stopped blowing cold despite correct refrigerant and functional compressor. Climate control stuck in a mode it won't exit. Blend doors not responding to temperature adjustment. AC that worked then stopped after a battery replacement. The procedure: perform reset number 1 first, waiting the full 15 minutes. After reconnecting the battery, turn ignition to on and wait 60 seconds before starting. Start the engine. Turn climate control completely off. Wait 5 seconds. Set temperature to maximum cold. Set fan to maximum speed. Press AC button. Press recirculation button. Wait 2 full minutes. The module relearns blend door positions, recalibrates temperature sensors, and verifies compressor operation. If this doesn't resolve the issue, pull the HVAC fuse for 5 minutes, then repeat the initialization sequence. Models: all Subaru models with electronic climate control 2010 and newer. Reset number 9. The EyeSight camera. Reset. EyeSight has its own module with its own memory that can develop stuck states independently of the main ECU. What it fixes: EyeSight disabled warning that won't clear after windshield cleaning. False pre-collision warnings, lane departure triggering on straight roads, camera obscured warning persisting after cleaning. The procedure: ensure the windshield in the EyeSight camera zone, top center behind the rearview mirror, is completely clean on both surfaces. Use microfiber only. No spray cleaners directly on the glass in this zone. Locate the EyeSight fuse in the interior fuse panel. Typically 7.5 amps or 10 amps labeled EyeSight or ADAS. With ignition off, pull the fuse. Leave it out for 5 full minutes. Reinsert the fuse. Turn ignition to on and wait 60 seconds before starting. Start the engine. Drive at highway speeds, 60 to 70 miles per hour, for at least 5 minutes on a straight road. The cameras need a clear forward view to complete their recalibration sequence. If the camera obscured warning persists, the cameras may need professional cleaning, or the windshield has a defect in the camera zone. Models: all EyeSight equips Subaru models 2013 and newer. Reset number 10. The Oil Life Monitor Reset. What it fixes: oil life percentage that didn't reset after an oil change. Oil change reminder persisting despite recent service. Display stuck at 0%. The procedure: 2013 to 2019 models. Turn ignition to on without starting. Find the trip meter button on the instrument cluster. Press and hold until the display cycles through trip A, trip B, and then the oil life display. When oil life percentage is displayed, press and hold again for approximately 10 seconds until the display flashes. Release. The oil life resets to 100%. The procedure: 2020 and newer. With engine running, navigate to settings on the infotainment touchscreen. Select maintenance or vehicle information. Select oil life reset. Confirm when prompted. Important: do not use the oil life percentage to determine your actual oil change interval. Change at half the manufacturer's recommended interval regardless of what the monitor displays. This reset simply clears the reminder. Models: all Subaru models with oil life monitoring 2013 and newer. The Reset Decision Guide. Multiple systems misbehaving after battery event. Reset number 1. ECU hard reset. Idle issues after intake service or throttle body cleaning. Reset number 2. Throttle body relearn. CVT behavior changed after fluid service. Reset number 3. CVT relearn. Power windows lost auto close or one touch. Reset number 4. Window recalibration. TPMS light on after correct inflation. Reset number 5. TPMS reset. Rough idle after extended storage. Reset number 6. Idle relearn. stability control or lane departure activating incorrectly after alignment. Reset number 7. Steering angle sensor. AC stop blowing cold without obvious physical cause. Reset number 8. Climate control reset. EyeSight warnings won't clear after cleaning. Reset number 9. EyeSight reset. Oil change reminder persisting after service. Reset number 10. Oil life monitor reset. If any problem returns within 1 to 3 drive cycles after a reset, you have an underlying physical problem that needs repair. Consistent fault code return means the module is correctly identifying a real issue, not malfunctioning. The bottom line: 10 free resets that fix your Subaru without a dealer. ECU Hard Reset clears corrupted memory across all modules with a 15-minute battery disconnect. Throttle Body Relearn restores correct idle calibration after intake service. CVT Transmission. Relearn recalibrates shift adaptation to match new fluid. Power Window Recalibration restores one-touch and remote functions. TPMS Reset clears persistent tire pressure warnings after correct inflation. Idle Relearn after storage rebuilds calibration through a controlled idle sequence. Steering angle sensor reset recalibrates straight-ahead reference after alignment. AC and climate control reset clears stuck module states through battery disconnect plus initialization. EyeSight camera reset restores camera function through fuse pull and highway recalibration. Oil life monitor reset clears the change reminder through model-specific procedures. Everyone costs $0. Together, they address the majority of non-physical problems that send Subaru owners to dealerships unnecessarily. Use them before paying a diagnostic fee. Use them after every major service. And use them every time your Subaru develops a behavioral problem rather than a mechanical one. And if you want the complete maintenance system that prevents the physical problems no reset can fix, check out the 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint in the description. If you found this video helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.